Hello there, in this video I'm going to tell you two ways in which you can use ChatGPT to help you generate PowerPoint presentations. First step, open ChatGPT. Your method 1 would be asking ChatGPT. So just go ahead and you're going to ask it to generate you the VBA code for your PowerPoint presentation, then your topic, and then you can give a simple description of the presentation, or you can tell it any other details that you would like to add into it. So just hit enter, and then ChatGPT will give you a code that you can paste in PowerPoint in your VBA code section to turn this into a working PowerPoint presentation. It's going to tell you the way to use this here. So first step, open PowerPoint. Then hit Alt plus F11 to open the VBA edit. Insert a new module by right-clicking on any existing one or the modules folder and selecting Insert Module. Copy-paste the code above into the new module. And your last step, press F5 to run it. Method 1 is pretty simple. Method 2 is that you're going to ask it to generate you the structure of this PowerPoint presentation instead of the actual presentation. So what you're going to do is just ask it to generate you the structure. I'm going to be using the same one. And then you have your basic structure that you can use for help in generating PowerPoint presentations. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.